4000 microscope camera. Can be connected to a monitor to observe, take photos and record videos simultaneously. 4000 display effect is more high definition. The panel supports touch operation. M-19 4000 microscope camera. Touch area. Touch the corresponding icon to operate the camera. Menu button function. Photo or video or playback switching. Screen zoom function. Zoom out function. Shutdown or freeze screen function. Photo or video function. Power indicator. Remote control infrared receiver. TF memory card installation location. TF memory card needs to be installed to connect the display to take pictures and record videos. Type-C interface. For camera power supply and connection to computer. HDMI high definition interface. Install the camera to the CTV adapter of the trinocular microscope. Adjust the camera light to the front. Connect the HDMI cable. Connect the camera on one end and the monitor on the other. Use Type-C line for power supply. The power supply voltage of this camera is 5 volts. Wait for the camera to turn on after powering on. The indicator light changes from red light to yellow light, that is, the power is on normally. If the picture is blurred after starting up, please adjust the clarity of the microscope eyepiece first. Adjust the eyepiece to clear. First adjust the multiple to the maximum. Readjust the height of the microscope. Make the eyepiece see a clear object. Adjust the CTV interface after the eyepiece is clear. Rotate the CTV interface to the left or right until the display screen is clear. At this point, the display screen will be synchronized with the microscope eyepiece. If you need to take pictures and videos, please install a TF memory card eyepiece. Install the memory card face up. When taking out the TF memory card, press the memory card and it will pop out automatically. Do not violently pull out the memory card. Press the menu button to change the language. Press the camera button again to confirm. Press the zoom out button to switch to English. Press the camera button again to confirm. The language is now changed to English. The zoom out key can switch down the selection. The zoom button can switch up the selection. Press the menu button again to return. The mode switching button can switch between photo taking, video recording and playback functions. Using this function requires installing a memory card. The zoom button can zoom in on the screen. The zoom out button can reduce the screen multiple. The camera will shut down when the red button is pressed for a long time. Short press will freeze the display. At this time, there is a freeze icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Short press again to enter the half-screen comparison function. Short press again to exit and return to the real-time screen. Short press the camera button to take a photo. Press the mode button to switch the recording mode. Short press the camera button again to start video recording. Press the camera button again to end the recording. The above are the instructions for using the 4000 camera. If you encounter any problems, please contact the technician.